Alright folks, this is another video of my thing. Yet again, my PS3 just YLOD'd again. So yeah, this is how I fixed the yellow light of death. As you can see, the red light. Yeah. Green and yellow. See? Yellow. Alright, that's no problem. So yes. Oh, good. Oh. Alright, that is not a big problem. Not a big problem at all, because I knew what to do when these things happen. All you need is a screwdriver and a hairdryer. So, first things first is turn off the main system. Then you unplug it, and yeah, then next thing, I will take out the PS3. I'm going to take out my PS3, as you can probably see by now. Oh jeez. Oh jeez, this is heavy. Hold on for 1 sec. For 1 second. Alright, I just unbolted the blue nail, the little thing over there, right by my... She's over there, right by my remote, and there's my screwdriver. There's my hard drive. There's the hard drive. All you do now is just do that, and then all you do now is just oh jeez, just pull it out like that. This is what the hard drive looks like. Pretty cool, pretty nifty. As you can tell, it's slightly burnt out. Here's the inside. The PS3. And yeah, there's the sides. Yep, there's the sides, yeah. Yeah, there's the sides of it. So yeah, later on in my next clip, I will bring out the hairdryer and start hair drying it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Alright folks, so yeah, you probably know why I've got my webcam, my camera on my tripod. Well, it's because I'm gonna show you how to fix the yellow light of death. Yeah, but all you need now is just a personal hairdryer. And so yeah, in this final step, or highlight, or clip, whatever, all you need to do is just clean the sides off for, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes or whatever, how long you want it to be. So, how long you want it to be. So, yeah, here it goes. It's really easy. It's not that hard or anything. It's really easy. All you need to do is just brush the sides up and down. Let's just clean the PS3. So yeah, really easy. I don't know. See that? It's melting away the heat radiation. Once that's dried, you probably might need to cool it off by a fan or a fridge or whatever. I've had so many yellow light. Oh yeah, I've had so many yellow light effects so many times on my 16GB PS3, so it's worked a couple of times. So yeah. As you can tell, it's one noisy hairdryer. So yeah, you're probably wondering what hairdryer to use. So it doesn't really matter what hairdryer you use because don't worry about the hairdryer. flip the PS. Yeah, so I think that different wire. I've flipped my PS3 on the side. I think it's wide, but I kissed the girl I could. Let's see what I'm doing. I suppose you both can see what I'm doing. Yeah, about the minutes, doesn't matter how long you do it for. Usually, this might take up to about 15 to 25 minutes. Yeah. 15, 25 minutes or so. But man, but don't worry, if it keeps YLODing every now and again, just keep doing it. Just keep using the hand dryer. It works for me so many times. Like what it says. And don't worry about your hard drive. It doesn't, once you hair dryer your PS3, your hard drive will be okay. There's nothing, it's not that hard. It's easily 1, 2, 3. Oh, by the way, folks on YouTube, thanks for the help for the hair dryer base, because I've had a massive situation with my PS3. It's really gave me confidence. Really. So I'm just taking a hair dryer. All you do is just go back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. Just keep doing it. It's easy. And hopefully that should be about 20, 30, whatever. Alright, that's pretty much, yeah, I can give you. There you go, that should hopefully work. And now, on to my next step now. Alright folks, I'm back again. Sorry for that long wait. I had to still have my webcam because it was being a bit of a... So yeah, anyway, let's show you how to pull your PS3 after the... what's it called? As you can see, yep, there's my PS3. Nice. And then I'm listening to Labyrinth while I... So yeah, that's what I'm saying, yeah. Yeah, listen to Labyrinth. This works for me once when I did my fan, when I cleaned it first time. Ladies and gentlemen, awesome. What you're about to witness is no illusion. Once that's done, you can play your games and then get back to what you were just doing. Oops, there's my other one. This worked for me once when I did this. I think it might work before. Hey, y'all, I think that probably work. Alright, so... yeah, that's pretty much, yeah. Alright, folks. Alright folks, so in this final step or final video, I have just plugged in my little USB thing. All I need to do now is just rehook my PS3. I hope this works. All you do now is just get one of these, if I can show you. Yeah, one of these is used on the PlayStation 2. Hook that in. And this thing in the PlayStation 3. Hook that in also. Hold on for 1 second. I think it's in Alright. This is where it all YLOD'd before. Yeah. Hold on, let me just plug in my USB, extra USB. This is just, don't worry about that. Is for my iPad. So all you do is just plug that. Oh jeez. Hold on, I'll leave that later on. So yeah, plug that in. Turn your PS3 on. Little red light, as you can tell.
We're nearing the end of the auction now.
And
So turn green for our next item.
switch it to your AV channel. And finally, if it works, I hope it does. There it goes green. And hey presto! You have just fixed your PS3! And, hold on. As you can see, yeah! You just fixed your PS3 with the help of the DIY tutorial Alton Towers Nerd, which is me. Awesome. So yeah, now you know how to fix your PS3. This has been a really good tutorial for showing you guys. Hopefully this helps. And sorry about this, but I am running low battery on my video camera because of the DIY video. Hopefully I'll get that charged up. So pretty much, yeah. Well, everything's all running. It should be running as normal. No screw-ups, no nothing. So yeah. You have just done it the Sony way. The partnership of the Sony and Sony Bravia, which is yeah, excellent day. Well, folks, hold on. What? Oh jeez. Oh, come here. So, so yeah, you just fixed your PS3, folks. You can play your games or do whatever, go online, fresh your teammates. And as for that noise, that's me fan. And so don't worry about that. That's just my PS3 fan. And you fixed your PS3. It's so good. And look, even this chicken's typing out Facebook. You're happy as that chicken there who's typing his OMG moments on Facebook. OMG moments on Facebook. And folks, if you want to know information or want to know me by now, so yeah, remember to add me as Alton Towers Nerd on Facebook and YouTube, or my YouTube is Buster Missy 1. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, no scrubs, no nothing. Your friends will be there waiting for you online or offline or whenever. You can do PlayStation Home. So pretty much, yeah. And that's my tutorial on how to fix your PlayStation 3 and the annoying yellow light of death and the blinking red light. Later, folks.